Okay, Mars 188. Thought I'd do a video here real quick. PS4 not turning on, or can't get it to turn on because a little metal part right there won't make contact, so it won't turn on. Okay, and I watched other videos, other people trying to fix that little metal part. You gotta take the cover off and all that good stuff and try to fix it so to make contact so to turn on. There's one other way you can do it to turn on your PS4 if that's happening to your PS4. Use your controller. Just hold down your middle button here on the PS4 controller. Just hold it down for like 5 seconds. The PS4 will come on. So you can turn on the PS4 with your controller. You don't need to turn it on by the system. Okay, you can do it all with a controller. So that's how you fix that problem, because my PS4 has the problem. Okay, about I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, the fan, the PS4 fan, was staying on, making a lot of noise, and I had to take the cover off because it was clogged up with dust. So I had to clean it, which I did clean it. Well, when I put the case back on, I guess it did something to that little metal piece in there in the system, and I couldn't turn my system on. The PS4 wouldn't come on. So I thought, oh no, man, I can't turn my system back on. And I thought, well, I'll just plug in the PS4 controller, hold down the middle button there, and the thing comes on. So that's how you fix that problem. It fixed mine, okay, and it works fine. Which that's great, because I wouldn't want to send it back in over that. If I were to charge you $100 or go down there and buy a new one. Of course, the new ones are not too bad. They're what, $260 now for a PS4 Slim, and you get Uncharted with it. That's not too bad, but I'd hate to go down there and just spend that just because the system off and on switch won't work no more. Okay. But anyway, I've had this system about 3 years. I bought it when the PS4 came out. A couple months down the road, I bought it after it was out. So it's about 3 years old, and that's the first problem I had with it. And really, it's because I took the covering off to clean the fan, and it did something to that little clip in there, and it won't turn on. So far, that's the only problem I've had with my PS4. So yeah, that's about it. I just wanted some people out there their PS4s won't turn on. Just use your controller, hold down that middle button for about 5 seconds, and it'll turn your PS4 back on, and just go from there, man. I thought real quick I'd go over the games that. Now what the heck? All right. Okay, there we go. I'll go over the games, my recent games I've rented, and these are the games I've rented. Osaguka, got that. And Neo Geo, Naho, got that one. Rented that one. Even rented Resident Evil. Yeah, Resident Evil 7 rental game. That's a rental game, and that's a rental game. And they shipped all 3 rental games, Gamefly, so excellent, man. The buy either one of them, and they're all 3 good games. This one I like the least, but it's still an okay game. But I don't know, it gets kind of tiring sometimes. But it's still okay. This has been a great game so far. It's been great. I worry over the boss fights being too hard. I think the boss fights are going to be too hard. I'm going to get irritated with it, and I'll probably end up just not playing it no more. Resident Evil 7, I beat this game. Awesome game, man. Awesome. I give the game 5 stars out of 5. I mean, just a great game. It has a lot of replay value to it. Awesome. See you guys later.